YouTube? It's your boy Spyder 1330, back with another video. So today, I'll be changing my brake pads on Can Am Spyder RT Limited 2023. Find a spot to jack this joint up. It's pretty hard because I got a regular jack. I have a big one. I purchased a big one, but it's in storage and I'm outside digging it out. I'm trying to find a spot to put the jack stand. I got jack stand, but it's hard, so I just put a board under the jack. You can see there, I put a board on. I got a electric jack that plugs into a cigarette lighter or power bank, whatever. So I'm gonna just do it like that. I'm not wasting too much time just trying to find the right spot. And we're gonna do the brakes, alright? I like that. And I got this off of Timo. You know, you have to break the bar. Don't break it. You just have to break the lock, and then you can. There you go. You know, that came off nice and quick. Like bicycle wheels. My brakes been squeaking forever, y'all. Squeaking forever. I'm thinking I need brake pads, but it don't look like it. And I bought brake pads, but I'm gonna change them anyway, just to be on the safe side. So I'm gonna open the master cylinder, and then we're gonna get to these brakes. See what I'm doing on this side. So y'all can see what I see. So here, zoom right here, there's a pin. Right here. Let's see, get y'all front row seat. So there's a pin right here. You pull that pin out first. Alright, make sure you put that pin back too. And you loosen this bolt right here. Turn these wheels. See if I can turn the wheels. Let's see if I can turn the wheels. That's what I should have did beforehand. It'll be easier to work. Let me see if I can turn the steering wheel. Be a little easy for me to work. Now I need, oh shit, need a torque for that. T30 torque. It's right there. Let's get the extension on that. And the sun is drawing hot, y'all. I'm not taking the whole caliper out. I'm just taking, let's see, let y'all see. I'm just taking out, like Martin the Vlogger did. See right here? I'm just taking this pin out. Alright, that's it. Instead of taking the whole caliper, just take the pin out. You too, thank you. Okay, so when you take the pin out, you're gonna have, I'm gonna take it off the stand. Alright, so when you take the pin out, you got this pressure release right here. See that? See the loop goes backwards. So now you take this out, lay that down. You want to put that back the same way. So now you got your brake pads. So I'm going to stick a screwdriver in here and loosen up. Push the pistons back in. The caliper coming. Easy like that. Same to this side. You push the pistons back in. Both sides. Right now, take the pad out. I still have pad left, but they kind of rough. Yeah, it's scratched up. That's probably why they were squeaking. Cheap pads, you know. But you see, I didn't take the whole caliper off. No need to. Okay, so I'm gonna change the back plates. Let me put y'all back on the stand. Now, brake pad. The brake pads are all the same, no matter what side. Damn crap. But see, these are solid. These got slits in them. Still got almost the same amount of brake. I didn't really use much brake, but it squeaked like crazy. So I said before, I was gonna get wave rotors. I still want to get them, but if these is the issue, I don't have to rush to get them. Martin the Vlogger is the only person that sells wave rotors. Looking at martinthevlogger.com, you'll see him. But he got the wave rotors, so I'm hoping these rotors can last a little longer. They say that these warp and bend and real suck, so we're gonna see. But for now, hopefully when I take these off, the back plate's over here, like this, yeah? Take that back plate off, put it on this same spot. I'll put it in the same spot, okay? That's one. So the second one. Take a small screwdriver, just push it. Push it off. Alright. And now, we're going to put them back in the same way. So the same way they came out, same way they go in. The bottom is a little notch. One at the bottom, one at the top. That's this here notch. So on the inside, the notch is at the bottom. Right? Let y'all see that notch. So I want you to see, you understand what I'm talking about. There's a notch right here. And then there's one up top. So like this here hook, it rests there. So you're gonna put that in like that. Boom, it rests right there. See that? Now this one will go the opposite way. Up top, boom, it rests right there. See how that was? Nice and simple, right? All right, so now we're gonna put them back. So now I'm gonna take this, press this in. All right. And that's it. Wheel back on. So now I'll take this in the middle here. Take the wood, set it like this. Just try to lift it. And we lift it evenly. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. Then take the wood like this. And up again. Lift the whole thing. Perfect. Just enough to take the wheel off. Gotta be high. Our angle ratchet, the electric angle ratchet, I recommend to anybody. Perfect. And you'll be seeing 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay. Alright now, so you're going to take this pin out. Put it right here. That there. Alright, take the pads out. One. I'm going to take the back plate off. And that's the side. Take the second one off. Take the back plate off. And them things look pretty rough. I don't know if that's why they're squeaking. But how you doing? Okay. Just clip back in. Pin. Put the pin back in. And that's it. Put your wheel back. Like I said, you don't have to take the whole caliper off. No reason to. Put the lugs back on. Reverse your gun. Oh, the battery ain't go dead already. Oh, battery came out. Like I said, oh, it can't be dead already. Alright y'all, so my battery had went dead. I put the wheel back on. Now you tighten up your lugs all the way. Make sure they super tight. I gotta give me a torque ratchet for this here. Once you get to put the sun jack the bike up, 1, 2, 3. You do not have to take your calipers off at all. Do not. No reason to. One pin, one bolt. Slide the pads out. Put the new pads in. 1, 2, 3. It's your boy Spyder 1330. See you on the next one. Ride safe. Peace.